Hi everyone, welcome to The Mind Upgrade. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of wealth, success, and manifestation, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful manifestation ritual that billionaires use, but rarely talk about. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply it in your own life to attract more wealth and success. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing insights. Now, let's get started. What if I told you that some of the most successful billionaires, people like Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, and Jim Carrey, use a powerful manifestation ritual to attract wealth, success, and abundance, but they'll never openly admit it? It sounds unbelievable, right? But what if I told you this ritual is backed by psychology and neuroscience? In this video, I'll reveal the exact step-by-step process these high achievers use and how you can start applying it today to transform your life. Before I show you how to do it, let's talk about why billionaires swear by this method. Jim Carrey once wrote himself a $10 million check before he became famous. A few years later, he cashed it in after landing a blockbuster movie deal. Oprah Winfrey openly credits her daily visualization and gratitude practice for creating her empire. Coincidence? Not at all. The secret behind their success isn't just talent or luck, it's intentional manifestation. Now let's get to the good part, the exact ritual billionaires use to reprogram their minds for success. This is called the 555 Wealth Manifestation Method. It's simple, but insanely powerful. Step 1, write your desire, morning ritual. Every morning, write your financial or success goal 5 times as if it's already real. For example, I am effortlessly attracting $100,000 in new income. Step 2, speak it and feel it. Say this affirmation 5 times out loud, feeling the emotion as if it's already happening. And step 3, take inspired action. Write down 5 small action steps you'll take today to move closer to your goal. We've talked about the power of manifestation, but why does it really work? Let's explore the science behind it. Why this works, the science behind manifestation. Your brain has a built-in filter called the reticular activating system, RAS. This decides what information is important and what gets ignored. When you repeatedly focus on a goal, your brain starts noticing opportunities, people, and resources that align with it. This is how billionaires train their minds to attract success. Now, the real question is, will you try it? Start this ritual tomorrow morning and stick with it for 21 days. You'll be shocked at how your mindset and opportunities begin to shift. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps bring more powerful manifestation secrets straight to you. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a life-changing insight. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you powerful insights to start manifesting more wealth and success in your life.